Hi guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off comments on Facebook, right? Story comments. So let's go into the Facebook mobile application here. And basically, let me just take you to my home page. And this will be the home page. And just click on the three horizontal lines, which is on top right side corner. Then after that, you can just go to the setting from here. Otherwise, you can just go to the setting and privacy. Then you have to click on setting, right? So basically here you have to find the privacy and all that, and basically you have to find the story setting. So if you don't find the story setting, you have the search button, right? So just type here story and just hit the enter, and here you will see the story setting. So here you have to click on the story privacy, and basically you can just to make sure there is a no special feature. You can see that comments currently on all stories, so you have to just turn off, right? So currently the comments has been offed on all stories. You can see here, and this is pretty easy, guys. So if you found this video really interesting and helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.